My name is Maria de Los Angeles Rodriguez. I study business management. I belong to a research group. I do presentations from my seedbed.
Good morning. My name is Ingrid Ramirez. I am apprentice at Senna. I make the logistics plan of the company.
Hello. My name is Luis Carlos Archinitas, but my nickname is Lucas. I am apprentice of ANSI technologist. I like to learn and share concepts and knowledge. I am very happy to be part of this great team.
Dale.
I am Catherine Rivera. I live in Palmyra Vale. I am 24 years old. I am technologist in automotive and K-tronics maintenance. I have experience in repairing and maintenance in the diesel and gasoline engine and civil industry. I have the crucial ability to function well both independently and a team setting.
I am Alejandra and I am a student of the Senna. I usually meet in the Senna laboratory. I do a lot of homework. I really like to sing when I cook. Every day I play with my daughter and my cats.
My name is Darlin Taralba. I learn more every day. I do my homework. I like my technologist.